piece of the tickets goes to an organization called Comte. It's based in Montreal, does incredible work in Haiti. I know there's like $25,000 or $30,000 just right here. It's just a really beautiful feeling, so thank you for supporting that work.
Here comes the night time. Here comes the night time.